Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Neuroscientist shares brain training exercises they does every day. Section 1. Introduction. The importance of memory. Memory, the foundation of our experiences and learning, plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It enables us to recall past events, acquire new knowledge, and navigate the world around us. Our memories shape our identity, influence our decisions, and connect us to others. In essence, memory is the very essence of who we are. Despite its significance, many people take memory for granted. We assume it will always be there, readily accessible whenever we need it. However, just like any other skill, memory can be trained and improved. By engaging in regular brain exercises, we can enhance our memory capacity, boost our cognitive function, and unlock our brain's true potential. Brain training involves a variety of techniques and exercises designed to stimulate and challenge our minds. These exercises can range from simple memory games to complex visualization techniques. The key is to consistently engage in activities that push our brains to adapt and grow. With dedicated effort, we can sharpen our memory, improve our focus, and enhance our overall cognitive performance. Just as an athlete trains their body for peak performance, we can train our brains for optimal cognitive function. By incorporating brain exercises into our daily routines, we invest in our long-term cognitive health and unlock the full potential of our minds. Section 2. Memory Palace. A journey through your mind. One of the most effective and time-tested memory techniques is the memory palace, also known as the method of Loci. This technique involves creating a mental journey through a familiar location, such as your home or a favorite park. By associating specific items or pieces of information with distinct points along this journey, you create vivid and memorable mental images. To build a memory palace, start by selecting a location you know well. Mentally walk through this location, identifying key points or landmarks. These points will serve as anchors for the information you want to remember. For example, you might choose your front door, the living room sofa, or a particular painting on the wall. Next, associate the information you want to remember with these specific locations. Create a vivid mental image that connects the information to the landmark. The more unusual or humorous the image, the more memorable it will be. For example, if you're trying to remember a grocery list, you might imagine a giant loaf of bread blocking your front door or a dancing banana on your living room sofa. As you mentally walk through your memory palace, you'll encounter these vivid images, prompting you to recall the associated information. The journey through your familiar location acts as a retrieval cue, allowing you to access the information effortlessly. With practice, you can build elaborate memory palaces to store vast amounts of information. Section 3. Mindful Observation, Engaging Your Senses. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the rush and overlook the details of our surroundings. However, mindful observation is a powerful tool for enhancing memory and improving cognitive function. By consciously engaging our senses, we create richer and more memorable experiences. When you encounter new information or experiences, take the time to truly observe and absorb the details. Engage your senses of sight, hearing, touch, smell, and even taste if applicable. Pay attention to the colors, shapes, sounds, textures, and scents that surround you. The more senses you engage, the more vivid and memorable the experience becomes. For example, when meeting someone new, actively listen to their name and repeat it back to them. Observe their facial features, clothing, and body language. Notice the tone of their voice and the way they move. By engaging multiple senses, you create a more complete and memorable impression of the individual. Mindful observation extends beyond social interactions. When exploring a new place, take the time to notice the architectural details, the natural surroundings, and the sounds of the environment. When trying a new food, savor the flavors, textures, and aromas. By actively engaging your senses, you transform ordinary experiences into extraordinary memories. Section 4. Retrieval Practice, Testing Your Recall. One of the most effective ways to strengthen memory is through retrieval practice, which involves actively recalling information from memory. Unlike passive review, retrieval practice forces your brain to work harder to access the information, leading to stronger encoding and longer-lasting memories. Instead of simply rereading notes or textbooks, challenge yourself to recall the information without looking. use flashcards, quizzes, or simply try to summarize the main points from memory. The act of struggling to recall the information strengthens the neural pathways associated with the memory, making it more accessible in the future. Spacing out your retrieval practice sessions over time further enhances the benefits. Instead of cramming all your review into one session, spread it out over several days or weeks. This spaced repetition allows time for the memories to consolidate and strengthens the connections in your brain. Retrieval practice can be incorporated into various aspects of daily life. After attending a lecture or reading an article, take a few minutes to jot down the key takeaways from memory. When studying for an exam, use practice questions to test your recall of the material. By regularly challenging yourself to retrieve information, you build a more robust and reliable memory. Section 5. The power of sleep, recharging your brain. Sleep is an essential component of cognitive health and plays a vital role in memory consolidation. During sleep, our brains process and organize the information we've encountered throughout the day, transferring it from short-term to long-term memory. When we are sleep-deprived, our cognitive function suffers. We experience difficulty concentrating, remembering information, and making decisions. Chronic sleep deprivation can have long-term consequences for our memory and overall brain health. To optimize your memory function, prioritize getting adequate sleep. Most adults require 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a conducive sleep environment by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, as they can interfere with sleep quality. By prioritizing sleep, you allow your brain the time it needs to recharge and consolidate memories, setting the stage for optimal cognitive function. Section 6. Fueling your brain, the impact of diet. The food we consume has a direct impact on our brain health and cognitive function. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run efficiently, our brains require specific nutrients to perform at their best. A balanced and nutritious diet can enhance memory, improve focus, and protect against cognitive decline. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health. For example, omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon are crucial for cognitive function and memory. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and impair cognitive function. Staying hydrated is also essential for brain health. Water helps transport nutrients to the brain and remove waste products. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support optimal cognitive function. Section 7. Stress management, calming the mind. Chronic stress can have a detrimental impact on memory and cognitive function. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with memory formation and retrieval. Prolonged exposure to stress can lead to shrinkage of the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for memory. To protect your memory, prioritize stress management techniques. Engage in activities that promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. This might include mindfulness practices, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature. Identify the sources of stress in your life and develop strategies for managing them effectively. This might involve setting boundaries, improving time management skills, or seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist. By reducing stress levels, you create a more conducive environment for your brain to function optimally. When your mind is calm and relaxed, you're better able to focus, learn, and remember information. Section 8. Physical exercise, boosting brain power. Physical exercise is not only beneficial for our physical health, but also plays a significant role in enhancing cognitive function and memory. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal brain function. Exercise promotes the growth of new brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory. It also enhances the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the survival and growth of neurons. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Find activities you enjoy and incorporate them into your routine. Even small amounts of exercise can make a difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work, or incorporate short exercise breaks throughout your day. By making physical activity a regular part of your life, you invest in your long-term brain health and enhance your cognitive abilities. Section 9. Staying curious, lifelong learning. The human brain is wired for learning and thrives on new challenges. Engaging in lifelong learning keeps our minds sharp, expands our knowledge base, and enhances our memory function. When we learn new things, we create new connections in our brains, strengthening existing pathways and forging new ones. Embrace opportunities to expand your horizons and explore new interests. Take up a new hobby, learn a new language, or enroll in a course on a subject that fascinates you. The process of acquiring new skills and knowledge keeps your brain active and engaged, promoting cognitive flexibility and memory retention. Reading is a fantastic way to stimulate your mind and enhance your memory. Immerse yourself in books, articles, and other written materials that pique your interest. Reading exposes you to new vocabulary, concepts, and perspectives, challenging your brain to process and retain information. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Ask questions, explore different viewpoints, and embrace the joy of learning throughout your life. By staying curious and engaged, you keep your brain active and vibrant, fostering optimal cognitive health. Section 10. Social connections. The importance of interaction. Humans are social creatures, and our brains thrive on social interaction. Engaging in meaningful conversations, building strong relationships, and participating in social activities can enhance our memory and overall cognitive function. Social interactions stimulate our brains, challenging us to process information, respond to cues, and adapt to different social situations. These interactions strengthen our communication skills, improve our emotional intelligence, and expand our social networks. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to have better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. Social isolation, on the other hand, can have a detrimental impact on brain health, increasing the risk of memory problems and dementia. Make an effort to nurture your social connections and engage in regular social activities. Spend time with loved ones, join clubs or groups that align with your interests, and participate in community events. By staying socially connected, you nourish your brain and enhance your cognitive well-being. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the journey of brain training. Our brains are remarkable organs with vast potential for growth and adaptation. By incorporating brain training exercises into our daily lives, we can enhance our memory, improve our cognitive function, and unlock the full capabilities of our minds. The journey of brain training is an ongoing process, requiring dedication, consistency, and a willingness to challenge ourselves. Embrace the techniques outlined in this essay, incorporating them into your daily routine. Practice the memory palace, engage in mindful observation, test your recall through retrieval practice, and prioritize lifestyle factors like sleep, diet, and stress management. Remember that brain training is not about achieving perfection, but about continuous improvement. Celebrate your progress, embrace the challenges, and enjoy the journey of expanding your cognitive horizons. With consistent effort and a commitment to lifelong learning, you can unlock your brain's true potential and live a richer, more fulfilling life. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.